Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am in a different setup and I'm hoping that you guys like this little corner. I just feel like this is going to be like my little fashion corner. So yeah, let me know, hopefully you guys like it. Today I have an Urban Outfitters haul for you guys and I am so excited because it's the first on my channel. I actually really love Urban Outfitters and I do buy quite a few pieces here and there from there. But I've never done like a big haul just because it's quite pricey in there and I just feel like, I don't know, I couldn't justify it before, but I just did. Now my bank account is screaming, but let's make a haul out of it. I also picked up 2 items from ASOS as well, so I thought I'd chuck that in this haul as well. So let me know if you guys want to see more Urban Outfitters hauls in the future, and I'm not going to ramble anymore. Let's just get straight into it. So the first item is actually this t-shirt that I am wearing right now. Obviously Urban Outfitters stocks a lot of different brands, but this is actually Urban Outfitters brand and it says NASA on it, and honestly I just really like the print, the color scheme. I love a grey t-shirt, but what I love specifically is the material of this. I feel like Urban Outfitters normally gets materials right just because it's quite a slouchy fit, it's very comfortable and I just really like it. So this is definitely going to be a t-shirt that I'm going to be living in. What I specifically love about the print is that it's kind of a vintage old looking NASA print and I just feel like that looks really cool and I just love the color scheme and everything. Okay, so I actually picked up 2 other grey t-shirts, but they're different, so we can justify that, so it's fine. Love this dark grey colour and I actually don't have many t-shirts this colour, so I decided to pick up another 2, but they're different, so it's fine. First one is this meme one, and honestly when I saw this I was like, I don't think I've seen a t-shirt that describes me quite as well as this. You're so dramatic, and then it says me, and then this like old Renaissance art poor lady that's crying, but that is just me in a meme, so I decided to pick this up. I got this in a medium, I'm assuming. Yes, in a medium. It doesn't look oversized at all, even in a medium really, so this will definitely be best probably tied up in a knot or tucked into some jeans. I just love it, and I don't actually have any meme t-shirts, but now I do, so I'm really happy with this t-shirt and I think it just describes me so well. Now people know that I'm an emotional wreck before they even talk to me. Next up I have this t-shirt, and this is a massive oversized, I think it's called dad style t-shirt, and it's really big actually. I got this in a small and it's still massive. You could literally wear this as a dress, so it's very big. What I loved was the art style in front of it. Like, I'm obsessed with visuals, so whenever I see something that's just really appealing to me I usually pick it up. So I just love this. I love the color scheme, the art style and everything, and I think it goes really nicely with the grey colour of the shirt. This one's a little bit less of that slouchy material like this one, and it feels more like a regular t-shirt, but nonetheless still very comfortable, very oversized fit. So if you don't want it to be too big like a t-shirt dress, then I would size down in this. I love oversized stuff, so definitely not a problem for me. So let's continue with the t-shirt train because I feel like I have so many t-shirts. It's pretty much all I wear, to be honest. But the first one I actually got was this cropped one, and I really love this. It's basically a cropped t-shirt, it's white, and it also has a frill hem on the arms and the bottom hem as well. And this is fitted. I got this in a size small, and to be honest, this is very small on me. The whole look of it reminds me of like old tattoos that people used to get when they used to get like a dragon, or, I mean, I'm not like educated on tattoos and I probably will never be, but that little like art thing, it looks like a tattoo almost. That makes no sense, but you know what I mean. So next up I have this white t-shirt that I bought in a size small to medium, and this is pretty oversized, not too over the top, like not like dad style oversized, but for a small to medium it does fit quite big. And this has a rose on it and it says let love grow, and I just really like this. I thought it was really cute. I have so many white t-shirts with flowers on it. I have so many white t-shirts with stuff on it, so like this isn't really anything new for me. This paired with some mom jeans and a belt is just perfect, and I wear stuff like that all the time on a day-to-day basis, so that's why I picked this up and I really love it. Next up I have a long sleeved oversized t-shirt. Now I bought this in the size small, and this is very oversized. It's almost like boyfriend fit or dad fit again. So this is really big. You could probably again wear this as a long sleeve t-shirt dress depending on your preference. This is pretty thin though, I've got to say. It's just a regular t-shirt material, but I was wearing like a grey bra underneath this and you could kind of see it. So just bear that in mind that it is pretty thin material. So if you're going to be wearing it with nothing underneath it, just beware, I guess. Apart from that, it's really comfortable. I like long sleeve t-shirts and I definitely want to pick up some more because they're still thin but being long sleeved at the same time, which I think is really good for this time of year where it's kind of like weird weather where it gets warm but it also gets cold at the same time. Front print is pretty simple, and then also it's got print going down on the arm as well, and then on the back it has this beautiful print of a flower and of course some print and writing as well. So from Urban Outfitters as a brand as well, I have this really cool racing crop top. I love this. I don't own anything like this, and when I saw this I was like, this is so cool. I can already think of like hair and makeup that would look so good with this, and I'm like already planning it in my head, so I'm so excited to style this. And what I love as well is that it has the zip up, so you can have it zipped down if you want to, but to be honest I would probably wear it zipped up because I think it just looks nice as it is. Like, I honestly think that looks so good. I honestly think this is sick and I cannot wait to wear this. Also from Urban Outfitters, I picked up this Adidas cropped t-shirt. I honestly just love this because it was like a color block t-shirt and I'm just obsessed with that. I've actually been buying so much more color lately and I'm really proud of myself. I only used to wear white, black and grey, so I'm definitely getting better, and I really like the way that this looks. The green is really pretty. I don't think I own anything this color of green, and it's cropped and it's got Adidas on each arm and also on the center, and this is definitely my cup of tea. I just really like it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel so silly. I literally forgot one more item, so I thought I'd just show you guys real quick because I actually really like these trousers and I just want to show you the try on really quick. It's basically these like cargo trousers from Adidas, and I literally love it, and I just wanted to show you guys the try on real quick. I'm using my vlog camera because I have like packed up most of my equipment and I was like, what have I done? So yeah, here's the try on. These are really nice, and this was also from Urban Outfitters as well. I feel so silly, I'm sorry for forgetting it. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the haul now. Okay, bye. And then lastly, the last thing I picked up from Urban Outfitters was this, I feel like I'm gonna pronounce this wrong. I'm gonna put the logo on the screen because I'm actually gonna say it wrong. Can someone write down in the comments how you pronounce this? I love this, and I feel like if I am gonna be wearing this, I need to learn how to say it. I love this. This is basically an oversized jumper, and this is in the size small. This is beautiful color block style. This is beige, navy and yellow, and then it also has like an electric blue color on the back, and there's just so many different like details to this. Like on the arm there's just like different blocks, and then it's stripes on the cuff. What I really love about this as well is that it has a drawstring bottom. I've seen a lot of clothing items with this, and I can see why, because it's actually really flattering, and I always tie my jumpers up. I always tuck it underneath my sports bra or something like that, so the drawstring actually makes it super easy, and I just love the style of this. I definitely want to pick up some more of these for the fall and winter seasons, just because it's so easy to wear these. This with jeans is just so easy to wear, or even with tracksuit bottoms. There's so many different ways to wear this. I can't actually wait to buy more of these, and my bank account is gonna cry because it was fairly pricey. Very warm, and the material was very nice, I must say. It's a little bit pricey, quite a bit pricey, but it's really nice. Okay, so the final two items are two sweatshirts that I picked up from ASOS, so I thought I would chuck it in this haul because it's very similar type of clothing and it's Nike, so I thought I'd throw it in here. So you can find these hopefully linked down below for you guys. The first one is just this very simple sweatshirt. It's standard fit and it just has the regular Nike logo. It's very simple. The only difference is next time I'll probably pick this up in something else that's not a standard fit, just because it's not as oversized as I would like. Nonetheless, it's still something that I would probably wear quite a bit. It's definitely more of a thin sweatshirt. It's not really like warm feeling, but I really love items like this. I think it's really easy to style. You can tuck this under your sports bra kind of thing and have that kind of like tucked in effect, or you can kind of tuck it in to your jeans or whatever you're wearing. It's very like casual and slouchy, and I just really like that. Next is this really cool retro looking Nike sweatshirt. I love this. I think this one is a slightly more loose fitting sweatshirt, which is a little bit better than the previous one. What I love is that it has one red color sleeve and then one black sleeve, and then of course Nike in this just really cool, like very sleek, elegant font in the front. And I just haven't seen anything from Nike that's like this, and when I saw it on ASOS I thought it was very up my street. Guys, so that's actually it for this haul. It felt shorter than normal because I feel like I normally have more items than this, but nonetheless I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys do want to see more Urban Outfitters hauls, then be sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below some other places you would like me to shop and pick some clothes up, because honestly I would love some recommendations that have good clothing that's kind of like this style. Like, this is my kind of style of clothing, so if you know of anywhere that does just really laid back just range of clothing, don't forget to watch some of my other videos right here. I think you'll really like them. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channels just here as well. I love you guys so much, and also let me know down in the comments if you like this setup for hauls with my wardrobe in the background and all of that. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.